Kristen, as you talk with developers and as you're making decisions as a developer yourself, what's the number one reason that you hear that people want to consider modular for their projects?
Great question. There are several reasons, speed being probably the most profound benefit through accelerated construction schedules. And as conventional construction continues to take longer and longer with labor shortages and other factors, modular construction offers a huge benefit in terms of saving time up to 30 to 50% faster than traditional stick-built construction.
For those that aren't as familiar with modular, why is it that modular is faster? It's still building a building, so why can you get these increases in your savings in time?
Sure. So there are really two reasons why it is significantly faster. One, the most simple, is that there's concurrent construction. So while we are breaking ground on the site and doing footings and foundations, utilities, building the podium, parking structure, we are simultaneously building the modular units in the factory. And so rather than sequential construction in stick-built, we are doing the mods at the same time as the site is getting ready for the mods. And once the podium is ready, we start stacking mods. So that is, the most simple reason. And the other factor is our productivity in a climate-controlled, state-of-the-art factory. We just have more labor efficiency and productivity in the plant due to the plant layout and the ergonomic workstations, and really an assembly line where you're not hiking up to the 5th story and getting materials up there to do whatever task. Our construction team is going to the same station on the assembly line every day. Their materials are right there, and so it's a much more efficient and productive labor utilization.
Well, thanks for explaining that. I remember when I first started learning about commercial modular construction, one of the things I learned about was that the Marriott company, Marriott International, had made a corporate decision to encourage those that were building and developing Marriott properties to consider the use of modular. Can you tell me a little bit about that, and why would a company as big as Marriott make a decision like that?
Great question. Marriott's been a great champion for commercial modular, and was really one of the first, national companies to really focus. And several other companies have followed behind them. There are several factors. And I don't want to speak for them, but they've looked across their portfolio of brands and saw that a significant number of them can be built modular without really much, if any, changes. And if you think about it, hotels lend itself quite well to modular in terms of 2 hotel rooms fitting in 1 mod. And so it's very straightforward. And, I think they, like the time savings, getting heads and beds faster, has significant economic benefits, as well as the consistent quality across the portfolio.